So every Sunday, I'm out in the sun for about 4 to 6 hours. And it's so important to get out in the sun because when you look at certain countries that don't have a lot of sun, depression tends to be high, right? So the sun is literally giving us that energy to help us feel a lot better. And yeah, if you think about it, everything exists on the earth because of the sun. The sun is like the rawest form of energy. And if you are allowing yourself to touch the sun more, I notice on Sundays when I come that if I have 4 to 6 hours of just being in the sun for a very long time, it literally charges me up for the rest of the week. And also when you are touching the earth, there's something called free electrons, and the earth gives basically this free electrons that goes into your system, and that energy basically gets rid of free radicals. And free radicals is essentially what is stress in your body. So when you're touching a tree or when you're touching the beach, you're literally getting rid of stress. So it's very important that you're out touching the earth as much as possible, because this literally reduces stress. It reduces cortisol in your system. Every Sunday I've come to this thing called ecstatic dance, where everybody has these headphones, right? You can see everybody behind me getting ready for the dance. And there's something about movement, right? Movement is a great way to reduce stress in the body, and especially if you're going through deep emotional waves, there's something about movement that really gets the energy moving. So it's become very ritualistic, and it's become like a church almost, to come every Sunday to make sure I'm getting a multitude of things, getting sun, I'm getting the grounding, I'm moving my body, I'm also connecting with other individuals while I'm dancing. And these are really huge, I would say, priorities when it comes to making sure your mental health is in order.